Okay, to make the lizard ring out of pipe cleaners, first take 3 pipe cleaners of regular length and bend them in the middle around your finger such that they cross. Then, when you have them at the right size for your ring, give them a twist just to hold them. Okay, then take 2 of the strands and fold them out a little bit, and then take the 3rd strand in the middle and form a loop about here, and then when you've got your loop, curl the rest of the strand up the lizard's head, like that. That's gonna be your head, and then these are your 2 arms, and these will be your 2 legs. So to do the arms, make a bend about here in your pipe cleaner, and then form 1 toe, 2 toes, and then 3 toes, like that. So you've got 3 toes like this, and then pinch the foot together to form like a clover shape, basically, and tie the rest off with your on the same arm. Do the same for the other arms. So make your toes, and tie the rest around. You can also pinch the feet closed tighter if you want to. Before you start making the toes on the back feet, give it 1 wrap on each side so that he has a little bit more body. Then you can make your toes. Okay, your lizard ring should look like this now. Should have the ring still underneath, and you can even twist that, make that more forward, and then your 4 feet are done with 3 toes. And okay, so now you just have to sort of fill it out a little bit. So take a new green pipe cleaner and start wrapping around the head here, and actually you can form the head to be more lizard-like, with a point if you want, before you start this. And just take your green pipe cleaner and wrap it around, and then when you get to this part, take some pony beads. Here I've got blue ones, and thread them on to your pipe cleaner lizard like this, and so that they're on each side of this head. Just continue wrapping, and keep wrapping them. And you can see then he's got basically eyes on the side of his head. I like to go through the middle of the loop when I'm at the end to secure it. And then you can go back down the head and then pinch it closed. Okay, that's your head. Now you want to add more to the body. So starting on one of the legs, wrap it like this, and then just go down the leg, and then the other leg a little bit. I'm basically filling in the areas that didn't have pipe cleaner when we made it. And then do the body, thumb here, get that a little wider, and wrap these legs too. Okay, so to do the tail, now bend the tip of the tail in a little bit so that it doesn't have a point at the end, and just sort of wrap a new pipe cleaner along the tail, just going all the way up basically. And keep going up the tail until you reach the base of the tail, and then just go back down basically a little bit, and then this should create a little bit wider part at the top. And that's it. You've got your pipe cleaner lizard or gecko ring. I hope you liked the video.